Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can show hidden files on your MacBook. So this is going to be very easy, but I'm going to show you actually on which one I'm using here. I'm using MacBook Pro 18 gigabytes, Apple M2 Pro, and macOS Sonoma 14 Pro 4.1. So maybe this will help, maybe have a different update. So now we're gonna go to files, and here if you click let's say we are in here, and then if you click shift command dot and then press a dot, so shift command and a dot, and as you can see now we can see the unhidden the hidden files on your Mac. And that's all you have to do, just to press shift command and then dot, right? Now you can also use a command if you want. You can head over to, if you have the finder, so command, it's right here, finder, and then here in view, no, in where is it, in go and utilities, and then here look for terminal, or just write terminal, and then here just use the first command to show all files if you want to use the command as I said, and then enter the second one, and then the second one if you want to hide. You're gonna have to use this one and then this one, but to show you just use this one and then the this one. That's if you want to use the shortcut, or the shortcut if you want to use the terminal. Actually, the shortcut is this, as I said, is the if you want to use the command, you have to press command plus shift plus the period key at the same time, of course. Other things here related to files. Well, first time, when you buy a MacBook, you're gonna see a lot of files here on your screen, on your desktop, and maybe you like to remove them. And this is can relate. It's related to our video because I think this can be very important. So let's go to Finder, and then here we're gonna go to Finder, and then here in Finder, click on Settings, and then here, as you can see, show these items on the desktop. And if you uncheck this, this will actually remove all these files from here, and these ones here that you're still gonna see, you can still see those. Can remove all of this, but if you go to, so you can see here, not in display, and we can see here in a display we have, where is it, so in display in pointer. Okay, desktop and dock, and here you see show items. If you want to don't show it, if you just don't show any items on your screen, just uncheck this, and also this if you don't want to show them either in the stage manager. All right, this can be very helpful.